friends, welcome back to my channel Shimu Learn and Share. I'm Shimoli. In my channel, I try to learn and share new things with you. So friends, I hope you like my all the previous videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Friends, today in my origami series, I will share how to make a beautiful sofa with easy steps. So let's get started. For making a sofa, we need first A4 size paper, then a strip cut of 10 by 4.5 centimeter, and we also need pillows. So now let's start making the sofa. Be with me. First we will fold this paper half. Like this, then again fold this half. Like this, unfold this. Now fold this edge with this middle line. Same on the second side. Like this, and fold it. Fold this like this in the shape of triangle. Same on this side. On the corners, unfold this also. Now open this part and then press it like this. Same on this side. Open it and then press it. Like this. Now fold this hole up like this. Fold this to this line. Turn it back and now fold this line with this. Like this. Now fold this to this. It would be half. So we have folded this. Now we will fold same on this side, bend it. Like this. Now we will open it into the shape of sofa. So now our beautiful sofa is ready. You can also decorate it with thick cover paper of 10 into 4.5 centimeter. keep it like this. Now we will keep it decorated with pillows. So our beautiful sofa is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video.